with hi, my name is or hi, I am. In fact, I would suggest don't even use the word hi. Hi is very casual. जब आप एक pageant में introduction करते हैं, it is a formal introduction. So it has to be good evening, good afternoon, good day, namaste, hello. Hi is supposed to be very casual. अगर आप हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं, namaste is absolutely fine. Okay? Now when you are in a grand finale pageant, good evening should be ideal. पर आप वीडियो बना रहे हैं, which means you cannot say good evening, good morning, good afternoon. क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता कि आपकी ऑडियंस वो कौन से टाइम पर देख रही होगी. So stick with namaste, hello or my name is. A lot of participants, to bring in the flavor of the city or the state they are from, also use things like which are their local greetings. You could also put that. So if you're a Bengali, you could say a Bengali greeting. If you're a Maharashtrian, then a Maharashtrian greeting. Punjabi, then Punjabi. These are ideas, compulsory nahi hai. You make it yourself. I am telling you pointers of the do's and don'ts. I still want you to have your individuality. Now, when we are making or judging and evaluating people, one of the things that you are evaluated on is individuality. यानी आपने कितना खुद का लिखा है. जो हम लोग जजेस होते हैं ना फॉर द पैजेंट्स, हम लोगों को रट्टा है सारे आंसर्स पहले के. सो ऐश्वर्या राय ने क्या बोले आंसर्स, किस तरह से इंट्रोडक्शन दिए, सुष्मिता सेन ने कैसे दिया, लारा दत्ता, वी नो. सो अगर हम वो चीजें देखेंगे कि आप कॉपी कर रहे हैं एंड यू हैव जस्ट कॉपी पेस्टेड इट, यू हैव लॉस्ट पॉइंट्स देयर. So it has to be original, it has to be yours, it has to be your words, your emotion that tells me who this girl is and why is she a good candidate for us. Okay, so number 1, know myself. Number 2, has to be absolutely original, no copy from any of the previous pageant videos. Number 3, if your introduction has a quote as in, for example, from say an Oprah Winfrey, from Nelson Mandela, I don't know, from Jawaharlal Nehru, I think Swami Vivekananda Munmun had used. So if you have a quote from somebody, it definitely does add value. But it has to be a quote जिससे आपका connection हो. हाँ, यानी बोलने के लिए मत बोल दीजिए, ऐसा कोई कोड ढूंढिए जिससे आप सबसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट करते हो. Okay, so what is the point number 3? Have a quote. Optional है, but it definitely does add value. Okay, number 4, most of your pageant introductions cannot be very lengthy. They have to be short and crisp and clear. Now, how can you make it short, crisp and clear? By not going in full detail. तो आपका biodata हमें नहीं सुनना है. We don't want to know the number of years कि पहला जॉब कहाँ पे हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ. Not required. We would like to know in one line about your career. Only one line. Very challenging, but it has to be only one line about your career. One line about your family. One line about why are you participating in the pageant, or what was the thought behind participating in it. Okay, so first line is ideally your quote that you can introduce yourself with and your name. Location is compulsory. You have to say which city are you from. Now when you mention your city, remember you are in a pageant, so you must talk in the pageant language. Pageant language क्या होती है कि किस तरह से आप cities को adjectives देते हैं. So for example, I belong to the city of dreams, Mumbai. अगर आप नागपुर से हैं, don't say city of oranges, please. That's not what I mean. Think of something else. So if you are from Delhi, or you could say the commercial capital of Mumbai or of India, or something about it, some adjective or some line that talks about the place where you're from. Okay, adjectives पता है सब लोगों को मीनिंग क्या adjectives का? विशेषण in Hindi, to be precise. What does an adjective say? So if I'm talking to you right now, I'm sitting in a room. But what if I say I am sitting in a fantastic room? So you see, the impact of the room completely changes. So now in your mind, you're not picturizing a room. In your mind, you're picturizing a fantastic room. So that is the power of an adjective. So when you are introducing your family, you could not just say, I belong to a family of 2. You could say, I have a very loving and a supporting family. Or I come from a very caring or an encouraging family. Or I come from a family of empowerment. I don't know. You could come up with it. But like I said, they have to be completely original. So whatever you want to say, you say it in with adjectives, because adjectives really make an impact. Okay, so what are the points we've covered so far? Know myself, sticking with very, very short and crisp introductions. Use your quote, whichever quote you resonate with the most. Try and no saying hi. Stick with hello, namaste, my name is, or whatever you want, but no casual greetings. And what else did we cover? Using adjectives. You will use one line about your career, one line about your family, has to be original, one line about your state, and one impactful line about why did you participate in the pageant. Because this is most likely a very possible question in the Q&A. Now, if you happen to answer it already in your introduction, आपको एक brownie point मिल गया है समझो. Because you understand what the judges want. Yes, Maheshwari?
So we have to take quote first or our name first?
So you can change this. Now this you can play with. There is no certain order into how you have to do it. But let's say for example, आप लोगों ने कल सब लोगों ने आपने एक दूसरे को introduce किया था यहाँ पे. Did we do an introduction round? So did you see that the introductions were going very long?
Yes.
Okay. Also remember that हम लोग सब यहाँ पे participate कर रहे हैं at the age of 25 plus. That means we have already achieved a lot in life. We are also very proud of who we are. But जब हम अपने achievements एक के बाद 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 बोलने लगते हैं, it sounds too much. Okay. So pick up your top 3 achievements and talk about them. You may have achieved 100 things. Pick up the top 3 things you want to talk about, because the pageant listeners, the audience, the judges do not have the patience to listen to everything. Attention span is very little. Yes, Debashrita, ask.
So when we quote something, for example, if you're saying someone's to opera or whoever it is, do we have to actually say the name of the person?
Absolutely, non-negotiable. So you cannot quote anybody without their names, because you are actually borrowing a quote from someone. So you must give the credit to the person who's written that quote. Yes, Anuja.
Ma'am, could we use the title, the pageant that I've already won? Should I share that in this introduction or should I not?
So you can share it. Like I said, if you have done, say for example, you mentioned yesterday that you've acted with Balaji and you've acted, you've done a couple of things. So you just pick up 2 or 3 things that you want to talk about.
I haven't acted. I was offered, but I was not able to.
So whatever. So again, like you mentioned that yesterday. Now that is not something you say it in a pageant introduction at all.
No,
that I was. So you understand the difference? Yeah. Pick up. You can use. Yes, you can.
I can.
You can, yes, but not that. So what happens is when you say these things and talk about how you won other pageants before, automatically, the judges start feeling that should we give her another chance or no?
Exactly, that's what
She's already got it before, So do I want to give her another chance, or should I give it to somebody who's not won a talent, maybe a title before?
Yeah.
So
and it would not even look good. I felt that it would not be, nice of talking of some other pageant on this platform.
True.
That's the reason I
True.
didn't
So,
want to put it up. But
so to camouflage that well, what you could do is to say, I have already had an experience in the national pageant industry and I have won a title. So you could just say that instead of saying the name of the pageant.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
that also works. Any questions on whatever we've spoken so far?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shikha, bolo.
ma'am, like I belong. First we were at BSF and now we are in civil. So, ma'am, can I mention about both of them, or should I mention the more focus on, like my focus is on YGO mandatory courses BSF,
Hmm.
whom I would like to represent on the platform. So, ma'am,
Go ahead with what your goal is, Shikha. Completely fine. If that's what you
And
want to
my
focus to, it's fine.
and ma'am, one more question. Like I belong to Jaipur basically. My home is like I'm staying at here, Bikaner. And you said like adjective for a city. So Jaipur is having an adjective, the pink city, but Bikaner is not having any adjective.
हाँ बीकानेरी चिवड़ा मत बोल देना. So yeah, so if you don't have an adjective for Bikaner, it's fine. I'm just
No,
saying.
ma'am, I want to ask, should I mention about Jaipur or should I mention about Bikaner?
आपकी मर्जी, whatever you want.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So guys understand that ये Indian pageant है, national pageant है, and hence the importance to the states and the cities when you go international. So when I represented India internationally with 52 countries, you know what they used to call me for those 15 days of the pageant? Nobody knew my name. Only 3 or 4 people who really became friends with me knew my name. They only called me India. Throughout 15 days, I still get goose flesh when I say this, but it was, I think,
That's a great experience.
I was only called India. Where's India? Everyone had to look for me. They would say, where's Russia? You know, people were only being addressed by their countries. And trust me, it is such a proud moment. And even today, I think I have in my photo frames, I only have the sash India kept so beautifully because it just talks about your country. So once you win this, you will have this opportunity to go international and represent India. But first, you must represent where you belong from. Okay? So use that well.